Okay, you ready? Have I forgotten something? Woo! Is there anything like it? Does anybody want some? Hi, I'm Clodagh McKenna. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy roast balsamic tomato tart with torn burrata and sweet basil. So simple, so delicious. I've got 2 sheets of Tesco Finest all butter puff pastry. And now I'm just going to roll it a little bit more because I'm going to make this into a circle. This is kind of like being back at school. My style of cooking and my style of teaching is all about simple. And simple cooking is always elevated by good ingredients. Now I'm going to make the border around the pastry. And I do this by overlapping about 2 centimetres of the pastry. Minimum effort here, and it already looks a little bit impressive, doesn't it? So this is going into the fridge to chill while I prep the tomatoes. The reason why I pop it in to chill in the fridge is because it's a butter-based pastry, and the colder the pastry is before it goes into the oven, the crisper the result will be when it's baked. A really great way to start kind of adding in really good ingredients is say, I'm going to change one thing every week. It's hard to change everything all at once, right? So just do one thing every week and just see how it naturally starts to change. All of a sudden, the penny will drop with you and go, okay, these ingredients are making a huge difference to my life. I'm going to make a gorgeous dressing for the tomatoes, and I'm going to toss the tomatoes in before they go into the oven to roast. I've got some products from the Tesco Finest range. Sicilian extra virgin olive oil, beautiful balsamic vinegar. Then I'm putting in honey. Look at the colour. Oh my goodness. Lastly, a little bit of fresh thyme. So I'm going to pop that to the side while I slice up all these beautiful tomatoes. I get so excited about what's in season. And it's at this time of the year when you're getting the best tasting tomatoes. Oh my goodness, perfectly ripe and in season at the moment. That brings me back, that smell. I'm using 500 grams in total. Now I'm going to get all these beautiful tomatoes and start overlapping all the way around. Last thing we're going to do is I'm going to egg wash the pastry so we really get a golden brown colour and a crisp result. So I roast off the tart first. Does it look gorgeous? And then I finish it off with really beautiful Tesco Finest burrata, which is from Italy. Can you see the excitement on my face? It's one of my favourite fresh cheeses. And when I tear it open, the creaminess that oozes out of it is so delicious. Then next, we are going to pop on some fresh basil, the little seasoning of sea salt, some pepper, plus the Tesco Finest extra virgin Sicilian olive oil. My quick and easy roasted balsamic tomato tart with torn burrata and fresh basil. It's so delicious.